Women love the Stella dress because it's a one-size-fits-all garment, and it's really easy and versatile, and it suits lots of different body types and ages. So yeah, I think it's quite a versatile garment for our customers. My upbringing in Australia probably has affected my designs in terms of sort of the athleticism and the cleanliness and the colour sense that I have. The inspiration for the print on the Chop 50 dress was it's a Regency floral that we used as a jacquard from the Spring-Summer collection, and also the Resort collection prior to the Spring-Summer collection. So it's become quite kind of iconic for the brand over the last sort of 6 months. The mood and sort of colours suited the project.
Atelier to go, fashion at your fingertips.